Who had the remote last, Randall? Go on somewhere, man. I don't even use the remote. Don't use the remote, huh, man? Turn your big butt over. I know you laying on it. You see, I'm not even laying on it, man. Go on somewhere, Hootie. You did something. I feel it in your stomach. You ate the remote, didn't you? Man, stop. I did not eat the remote. Oh, look at the guilty getting upset. And look at that dryer sheet that just fell out your butt. You out here eating random objects, Randall.
Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Sunday, November 6th. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday's Stock List. In today's video, I have two stocks for you to put on stock this coming week. Okay? First one, let's delve right into it. This one is a BP play. BP is the acronym for bounce play. SRTS closed down 51% at $6.34. I feel this one was overdone and is due for a quick bounce. SRTS opened at $8.09 and the high on the day $8.47, the low on the day $6.31. The company came out with earnings. They missed earnings, okay? This one is a rare miss because they had made 4 consecutive earnings beat. This one might be a one-off. Let's see what happens. Stock made a brand new 52-week low on Friday of $4.05. SRTS. Their 52-week high was $15.25. This one is in the medical devices space, headquarters out of Florida. Also long, this stock plunged 61%, also in the medical devices space. I don't know what's going on. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 105 million. This is SRTS. Their 200-day moving average is $10.29. They have 13 million in the float. 23% of the float are held by insiders. 32% of the float are held by institutional and shorts as 5% of the float. Profit margin is a positive 60%. Their operating margin is a positive 36%. This is SRTS. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 25%. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 79%. Let me say that again. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 79%. ROE and ROA are monies being made on the company's investment, okay? Let's continue. They have 45 million in revenues. Their revenue per share is 2.69. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 63% year over year. They have 17 million in gross profit. 17 million in gross profit. This is SRTS. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 17 million. 17 million EBITDA. Their net income is 27 million. Their quarterly earnings growth, get this. Quarterly earnings growth is a positive 838%. Let me say that one more time. Their quarterly earnings growth is up 838% year over year. Earnings is one of the best catalysts to propel a stock upwards, except if you're talking about HUDI, HUDI. That's another story. I'll talk about that one tomorrow briefly. Let's continue. They have a total cash of 38 million. Their total cash per share is 2.26. They have a total debt of 1 million and their current ratio is sitting healthy at 7.75. A current ratio measures the propensity of a stock going bankrupt within the short term, 6 months to a year. SRTS. This one won't be going bankrupt any day soon. Please sit tight for stock number 2. I want you to put in stock this coming week. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is just 1 penny. 1 penny only. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. Please hammer like. Please subscribe to the channel. Around here we find supernova movers early. Dave's Play is the place to be. Let's jump right into stock number 2. Stock number 2 is PR. PR closed up 2.62% at $10.59 on Friday. The company made a new 52-week high of 1104. 1104. This one is in the oil and gas space. Headquarters out of Texas. This one is a strong buy, but wait for a pullback. It might pull back, okay? This one made 5 consecutive new daily highs. This is a sign of strength. The company is coming out with earnings on Tuesday. Let's get the tires. PR wears a market cap of 3.05 million. They have 273 million in the float. 4% of the float are held by insiders. 89% of the float are held by institution and shorts as 24% of the float. Their profit margin is a positive 29%. Their operating margin is a positive 34%. This is PR, okay? Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 7%. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 15%, okay? They have 1.5 billion in revenues. Their revenue per share is 5.02. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 103.2% year over year. Let me repeat that. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 103.2% year over year. This is PR. Let's continue. Their gross profit is 771 million. 771 million in gross profit. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 807 million. 807 million, okay? Their net income is 406 million. They have a total cash of 201 million and a total debt of 859 million, bringing them to a current ratio just above par, 1.11. Current ratio, 1.11, okay? Their book value per share is a high 10.42. 10.42 book value per share. This is PR. Their operating cash flow is a positive 801 million. And their leverage free cash flow is a positive 236 million. These are decent numbers on PR. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, set your notifications for my upload. I hope to be uploading tomorrow. Let's see what happens. That's all I have. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'll see you when I see you. I'm out. Boom, bam. Thank you for watching. Dave Natch. I'm out.
I stay banking them big deposits even in pool.
Rusty body. Rusty.